guys, welcome again to Train the Giddy Way. You're all welcome, and please, if you're a new subscriber, you're welcome to the family. I'm not a subscriber, at least welcome for coming around. So what you guys are going to do now, just share, and let's go into today's business. So on today's business is a party guest style. I recently saw it on a colleague's page and I like it, and I said, okay, let me share to give it away. So in case if you have a style you want me to tie, all you need to do is politely enter my DM. Hi Gidi, I would really love you to tie this for all. And please, WhatsApp, don't just come to my DM and tie this style. I might not reply you. When you're polite, we'll consider it. Alright, so now let's go for today's poll. This is a 75 gele. Let's assume she's our party guest and she wants me to style a gele very well. This party guest style, I decide to do it 50-50. So anywhere I touch now, it's going to be my middle. So what we'll do, pleats. So now that she's not with her hair, we'll leave at least few to wrap. Okay? So hold it this way so we can bring it on the back. So you hold this side, please. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, we'll arrange here. Okay. All right. Now I've arranged the side pleats. Okay. So what are we now going to do? She's holding both sides. See what's going to happen. I'm going to use this one to wrap this like this now. Start using it to wrap this. Oh shit. See, I'll pin here before I start. See here. Look at here. Yeah, like this. I'll pin this in this place. But I need to always get a pin. Please trust me, this is the giddy way. I don't know how the person that tried this did it, but now let's go the giddy way. So what I will now start doing, I'll wrap it round. Oh, hello. The plates. So all we just do is folded everything. Now I'm gonna pin. So please trust me, this is the giddy way. This is the giddy way. Now, what do we do again? I want it to be from both sides. So what do I do? Watch. This is the same thing I did. Now see, from this middle, I'll start breaking it. So I make sure this is the tip that I show. This is the tip. Get to the tip like this. So and I what pin. So what we do, we might definitely pin it down here so that it will stay firm. Pin it down. So okay, so we try to make it so that this will show. That's the idea of it. Please always pin where you know we hold. Always pin where you know we hold. So I'm gonna pin here also. I'm gonna pin here also. Now you can see the style. You can see how the style look. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the giddy way. Trust me, you can just push this inside to form. And you can see this is a very nice rose. This is a very nice one. Coming to the back, all you need to tell her to hold her ears, maybe just take few plates. Look at, just take few plates. And we'll wrap it. And we'll wrap. So whatever you're doing, the person should hold it on here. Okay?